Hey guys, I wanted to pop in really quickly and talk to you guys about tax planning. When we think about tax planning, it might sound tedious, but it's the cornerstone of a smart financial management. But why is tax planning essential for you as the client? Imagine setting off on a journey without a map or without a GPS. Tax planning is simply that it is the GPS for your financial journey throughout the year. On one side, we have our individuals who embrace tax planning, meaning they take advantage of all of the benefits. And then on the other side, we have those who overlook the importance of facing financial surprises. So, tax planning really allows our clients to allocate funds wisely instead of wondering where the money went and how they can control the flow of it. It's more than just saving money, you guys. It is about making wise, smart decisions. And when we take advantage of all the credits, all of the deductions, and all of the incentives that are actually available to us, then and only then will we truly be able to reduce our tax liability. So I always say, like, whether you are a business owner or maybe you are a family looking to save for the future, or you are an individual you're just starting your career. Tax planning can help provide all of the different clarity, and it can provide you with direction. That's why I say GPS. It's going to guide you, it's going to direct you. So effective tax planning also means balance, you guys. It harmonizes your personal and your business finances, ensuring that neither side, whether you are a business owner or just your personal money, finances, taxes, are overlooked. So when you work with a professional such as us here at My Financial Home, our clients can navigate the complexity of the world of taxes, discovering opportunities that may be overlooked. Oversight, out of sight, out of mind. If we're not looking at it, then we're definitely going to miss it. Moreover, tax planning is a defense mechanism, you all. It prepares you guys for any of the unexpected financial storms. Many times when you guys come to me during tax season and you're caught off guard, it's because you failed to take advantage of tax planning. I talk about it all the time. I send the emails out, but most of you overlook it like it doesn't apply to me. But it does apply to you because you're not taking advantage of how you can save when it comes to Uncle Sam. And then on April 15th, or whenever you get your taxes done and you have a long look on your face, that's because you did not think about long-term planning. You thought about the moment. So I want to say to you guys, think long term. Tax planning is not just about the present, but it is setting the foundation for your future, a future financial success. So in the end, I want to say that tax planning is all about maximizing your growth. It can minimize stress, and it can allow you to take control of your financial journey. Every single one of my clients, that includes you, I'm talking to you need tax planning. It is a roadmap to a brighter, more successful, and a secure future. So, what I want to do is, I want to take a moment and I want to share with you guys. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to share my screen and just kind of go over what is included in our tax strategy. So, as you can see here on the screen, one moment, I gotta pull up one other thing so that I can share it with, oh gosh, 1 second. 1 second. Okay, so here we have on the screen here, this is what our tax strategy report looks like. I just did this real quick and simple so that you guys would have an opportunity to see what it looks like and what you're missing out on. So up front, you come with our front you that this was prepared by John Doe and it was prepared, it'll have my name on it. Then we're going to give you some abstract information, tell you a little bit about the path to zero tax in here. We're going to give you more information, what you can expect from this strategy session, your demographics, tax projection summary. We're going to pick out the 3 tax strategies that we feel will help you optimize your tax strategy situation. We're going to go into some details about those tax tips and advice, and then we're going to provide a detailed calendar for you as to when you need to implement all of these. So this is what it looks like. It's a 30-page report. We're going to talk about your demographics. We're going to go into what you've paid year to date, how much you have remaining. We're going to give you a lot of statistical information. Each strategy session is different. No 2 are the same. Here are some projections that we're going to give you, and we'll be taking this information based upon your tax check stubs that you'll be providing us. And if you're a business owner, we're going to take your profit and loss statement, as well as if you have a spouse that's a W-2 wage earner, we're going to take his or her information. But we're going to provide you with a tax projection summary. And then I told you it's going to talk about your income, your deductions, your payments that you've made thus far, give you a full detail if you have any adjustments to health insurance, SEP plans, etc. Any deductions that we may know about, that you may know about. Then we're going to select 3 strategies. Everyone's strategy is different. So when we select these strategies, we're going to pick the strategy, tell you what it's about, when you need to implement it. And I'm also going to share with you the strategies in detail. Okay. So here are my 3 strategies. I'm going to talk about the strategies in detail here and give you guys some information that you can take home to make a decision. I'm also going to give you other strategies, but I'm going to select your top 3 strategies that I want you to go and implement. I'm going to give you tips and advice. And then, of course, I'm going to give you a definition of each of the plans that I'm putting you in. And here's some tips and some advice that I'll be providing. And of course, due dates that you need to take advantage of. When are S Corps due? Partnerships, corporations, personal returns, so on and so forth. So for those of you who have always said to me, I don't need to do tax planning. Tax planning is not for me. Listen, guys, tax strategy, tax planning is for all taxpayers. There's no set stone. There's no set format template that one size fits all. So if you have continuously owed year over year over year, I encourage you to set up a tax planning meeting with me so that I can do an in-depth analysis on your tax outlook for 2023. And I do also project for 2024 in these strategy sessions. All right. All you got to do is click the link below to get on the calendar. Yes, there is a fee you will need to pay in advance, or we can have a conversation, you guys, about what that looks like. But I just gave you a quick top level overview of what a tax strategy, the results of what you'll get. You'll have to answer a questionnaire that will be full of questions that I will need you to address so that I can put it into my plan that I'm working. I will look at last year's tax return if you are a client of last year so that we can go through all of this. All you got to do, if you need a full detailed analysis tax planning session, now's the time, you guys. We have a few more months left in 2023 to make this happen so that you are not crying to me about owing Uncle Sam. All right, let's do it now. Let's get it right so that everything come tax season is where it needs to be. All right, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. You have an amazing evening.